Hi guys, in this short video, I am going to tell you that how you can easily create a WhatsApp call link. So that's quite simple. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have pressed the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open the WhatsApp application and go to call section. Now simply click on that create call link option on the top. Now you can see a new section has appeared and you can simply see that a video call icon is displayed on the top. Now if you want to convert this link into a voice call, you can simply tap on uh, an option of video next to call type and then select voice. Now a voice call link is being created. You can share the link through WhatsApp to anyone, or you can simply copy the link and send to anyone. Now, anyone who will have this link will be able to call you anytime, and this link will expire after 30 days. And if you want to, if you don't want to receive the call from anyone, for example, a stranger, you can simply block him on WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily create a WhatsApp call link in 2023. So if you have